Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more and more creative videos on cloud. Up till now we have seen two videos on cloud. First was introduction to AWS, second one was create instance through Apache web server. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about working of working and implementation of infrastructure as a service. I will explain in short this term of today's video, working and implementation of infrastructure as a service. Suppose I am the owner of my house and one person or one client to rent want to live in my house on rent. So I am the cloud provider, and that uh, the guest or the person who the client who is living in my room is called cloud, means he will utilize the service. So I am providing the house and doors and lights and fans and this thing, different things I am providing, and four rooms and this thing, and the client is utilizing the space. So infrastructure as a service. So in that case the infrastructure in the sense the person who is living in that house, and I am providing the infrastructure. So in this video we are going to see how install Apache web server, configure Apache web server, run web server and create simple web page. So first of all we need to create instance, launch instance. I will give name web server 5. I will remember the name web server 5 is the name of instance, then Linux, then T3 micro. We will see one video in which we will change this key pair. I will take existing key pair, no problem. Then I will allow HTTP and HTTP service. Now advanced detail. Now choose file, protocols, hash, HTML2, bin, bash. So install Apache web server, configure Apache web server and start Apache web server and display simple web page. Now I will launch the instance. Yes, fine. The instance has been launched. We will go through this part. Yes, Apache web server 5 is the name. Unless and until you click on this checkbox, it is not initialized. Remember that unless and until you have to click on checkbox to initialize the instance. Now I will initialize the instance. It will take some time due to internet speed. It is taking little bit time. It is still initializing. Okay, sorry, we have taken web server 5, yes, still it is initializing. Yes, check passes 303. Now we will yes, it works. So I successfully done with infrastructure as a service. I successfully done with working and implementation of infrastructure as a service. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more creative videos on cloud, web services, React and Node, full stack Manstangs. Thanks for watching.